What the Lord has done for me. Kima! I cannot tell it all. Yeba! What the Lord has done for. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, my husband and I were building our property in the UK. I've shown you guys from the starting when we're constructing up onto the point where we developed everything, picked our kitchen, and now the home is ready and I want to show you guys. Guys, my home is a 4-bedroom house, okay, and that's not even all. It is my location is very commutable to London. So let me talk about outside before I take you guys inside for you to see the magic that has been created for my husband and I. You can see our flowers, fresh flowers. And okay, but on a serious note, this place has a wheelchair access. In 2025, if your house does not have a wheelchair access, don't buy it. Don't buy that property. It shows that the builders are inclusive. And then you can see my driveway is pavement and not tarmac, which is quite modern. I have a door, an electric door that will use my fob to open. I'm going to show you guys later. And then it will go magically. I don't need to push it. It will just open. And there's an electric car charger, meaning that all I need to do is buy an electric car. Baba God, as you have done this one, do an electric car for me. I'll just be charging it. I feel like charging myself. What do you guys think? Anyways, I want to take you guys inside. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Guys, this house is finished to high specification. When I tell you luxury or nothing, first and foremost, my house is fully armed, meaning if you want to just find your way inside, wow, alarm go this sound. Alarm go this sound. I'm super excited. This landing area is tiled, shining, white tiles, engraved. Like, I love it, and I selected these tiles and I absolutely love it. Okay, let me show you guys this door. Come on in. Look at the sanitary ware. Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. You can even sleep here. See, nothing on the floor. And guys, the tiles, I selected it. My husband and I, we selected it. And I think it's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to create magic with this empty space. Luxury or nothing. Come on, let's go. So guys, there is another door here. This is where our electronic is. But I don't care about that. I don't even care. I'm thinking about making this place my pantry. What do you guys think? I think this will be really nice for my pantry, but I don't know. My husband said we should probably put like an hangar when people come inside and then they drop their coats. But no, I want a pantry in my house. And I think this is where we're going to be putting our pantry. Another storage here. Let me open it. So okay, I forgot to mention, because my house is tiled, this place is underground heating. So I don't know how they did it, but everywhere is warm and is heating from the floor. So there's also a space here. Do you think I should use this place like an home office? What do you guys think? I'm joking. We'll probably have a shoe rack here because I think I want to implement a no shoe policy, because it's a shiny white house. So let's go inside to my lounge area. So guys, this is my lounge area. I absolutely love it, okay? This is probably where my TV is going to be. And then there's this window here. Guys, can you believe the house came empty? Like no curtain, no nothing. Meaning you have spent so much to fill it up. And then there's this door that leads to my garden. Do you want to see my garden? So this is my beautiful garden. Breath of fresh air, and it's natural grass, by the way. It's not artificial. This is where you guys will probably see most of my videos now. Like, it's gonna be in my garden because why not? There's a tap here that I need to show you guys. And then the house, sensor light at night, it comes on. And then there's a tap here so you can connect it outside, wash your car. There's a door there that leads outside as well. Guys, this is my kitchen. So this house is what we call an open plan house, meaning that you'll have your kitchen and your living room close to the same area. This is a Nicaragua walked-up, luxury or nothing, baby. Like, it's ceramic, it's high quality, high specification. I have lots of storage doors. Can you see? There's more storage. This is storage, another storage, another storage, and another storage, and then my extractor. As you can see, oh my god, guys, I didn't turn on the lights for you guys. I have got beautiful lights in my kitchen. Look at, there's some lights under here which is so beautiful. Then there's the extractor, and my hob is 5-faced, which I love. And I'm intentionally opening the cupboard for you guys to see. This is another one. It's too much storage. Another one. Guys, this one even came with an organizer. I think I love it so much. And then there is this. There is another one. Oh my god, too many things. Oh guys, I need to show you magic. Bada! My bean island. I absolutely love this bean island. Like, it's amazing. So there's no need of having trash can. This is a very smart kitchen, guys. This is a very smart kitchen. Storage here, and then you have my dishwasher. I can't wait. You have my sink as well. The waterworks. Next, guys, is my microwave, and then there is the oven and another storage. Oh my god, look at, so much to keep. Now, this is an amazing, beautiful island. This must be from our developers, Yetunde and Victor. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna pop the champagne later. Let's see what we have in our kitchen island. Oh my god, keys. I'm sure this is the house key, and then some paperwork, documents. Wow. And more storage with another key. And another storage. So guys, this is one of my most special, would I say, equipment in this house. Let me just give you guys a little story. I know a lot of you will be wondering, oh my god, why is this kitchen so glamorous? Do they sell kitchens like this? Actually, they don't. Sometimes you have to pay extra to upgrade it to what you want. So eventually, I'm gonna put a picture of what actually came with the house in this video. Just look out for it. I'll put the picture now, and then you'll see what I eventually got. So this fridge is not a standard fridge that comes with a UK house. I had to pay almost £2,800 extra for it, and I love it. This is Samsung AI family of fridge, guys. This fridge has lots of features in it, from bringing out automatic ice cubes to the fact that I can connect it to my door and I can see wherever is outside my house, and I can also create shopping lists. I can watch YouTube. There's no internet, that's why it's not coming, and I can even see what is inside my fridge, guys, from this place. All I just have to do is view inside, and if there's anything in my fridge, I can see it. I can create recipe. I can ask it to create recipe for me with what is inside my fridge, but there's nothing there at the moment. So this is technology. This is AI. This is high-tech, and it's one of my most special, buy in this room. So guys, let's go upstairs. You can see, let me turn on the light. I love the way they built these stairways. Like, it's quite curvy, and I really like it. It gives class, very demure. Then the rails as well, the painting. It's high specification finishing, guys. I love it. So let's go inside each rooms to find out what we have. But before I go inside the room, let me show you guys. This is the family bathroom. It's really nice. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the master bedroom. Now there are 2 doors to the master bedroom. You can come this way or come that way. If you come this way, it's going to take you to where will be my walk-in closet. Can't wait! This is going to be my walk-in closet, and then I created this, would I call it an arc or whatever it is, at the beginning of the building so that I connect straight to the master bedroom. This is for my husband and myself, and then it's ensuite, meaning that if you open this door, you get to see our own private toilet and bathroom. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know what this is called, maybe chrome or something, but I love it so much because when I put my towel on it, it's always gonna feel warm. So it's like an heater and I love it. Let's see if the water works. It works! Okay. There's this switch in my bedroom which I like. You can reduce it so if it's nighttime, you know, I love it. So let's go out this way. Ta-da! I'm still here, so I love that. Let me show you another room. Oh, let's see what is here. This is storage. Not sure what this place is gonna be for, but love it. This is another bedroom. You guys will see that these rooms are really good sizes. Even though this is the smallest in the room, it's still a double room, and I absolutely love it. And yes, we have the eating in all rooms, and it's central eating. So there's a thermostat here that I absolutely love. You can set the temperature of the room. The temperature of this room is currently at 22, and I absolutely love it. So it's central eating, guys. To the end of the tour. What do you think about my new home? So I'm going to be showing you guys when I furnish it and everything. It's going to be a long journey, and I can't wait for you guys to experience it with me. If you have watched until this moment and you haven't subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? Don't forget to like my video, share it with friends and family, subscribe, and keep following Yettysplash for more. Till my next video. Love you guys. Bye.